Press mo yung continue. Mamaya na kapag mag-shoot.
Wanna take a picture, boss? With him?
Ay, mamaya na lang pagkatapos.
I will stand you guys up. Then also take the picture with Melissa.
Okay. You don't wanna be in the picture with us? You don't wanna be in the picture with us?
Oo, pwede na.
Wag, baka wala nang capacity yan. Ang sakit.
Oh, shit,
Anak na
kailangan
ata.
mo. Ipit.
Naakay na...
Pulikat?
Hindi. Baka matagal yung socks.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Sabi ko, mag-test na ng baka. Wala pa.
Wala.
Sa sige.
Sige. Meron kami na-rate sa Australia yung... Ano nga ba yung lethal weapon? Dalawahan lang siya. Tapos ganit din. Tapos, yun, roller coaster. Ikot-ikot na gano'n. Tapos yung side-side. Sarap. Yun din, dapat wala ka talaga laban sa bulsa kahit na. Hindi baka makatapo.
Double check.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Okay, you can take now.
Okay. That's fine. Thank you. There we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Kuya, nasa yung video camera.
Ayun na tayo.
Hindi ba ako mabitawan ko yung kamay
Ano ba ba?
mo?
Ano? Wala yan. Titigan niyo muna yung ano yun, oh. Pag umabot sa taas yan, malapit na tayo. Ah! Ah!
Kuya! What do you want? Countdown or surprise? Count.
Surprise.
Surprise!
3, 2,
Oh my... Kuya! I didn't get to see the view. Nice and close. Where's the camera? I'm still alive. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Nangangatog yung ano ko. Diba? Lalo na pag yung gagano. Ang ginagawa ko, no? Hawak ko, no? Ginagano mo ba? Kasi
Oh, we sound very so. The camera's
Now you see the view of Singapore.
yung office ko dati, mga somewhere to. Mga 3 kilometers away from yung mataas na building.
Oh, that's good news.
Dati yun. Nag-ano ba kayo, boat ride?
Not yet. How's your heart? How's your
Hindi,
heart?
wala. Yung ano ko lang. Nangangatog ako.
Mommy! Oh my God. So noisy. I think we're the noisy. This girl is the noisiest.
Tapos na. Hindi talaga pwede.
I think we're the noisiest.
How was that?
Very good.
Very nice.
I didn't get to see the view of Singapore. My eyes were closed all the while. Oh.